In this video, we will know how to make an animation video by using Canva. Canva animation tutorial. So let's begin. First we go to Google Chrome, then search here canva.com. So this is Canva. Then we go for videos. So click here, then click on play with video or create blank. So click here. Now this is blank surface, we will design it. Now I need a background, then we go for elements, then search here hospital, go photos, okay, click here and then adjust it. Okay, so edit photo, see all, ink, classic, select. Okay, this is our background. Now foreground I need for doctor. Okay, then click on filter and I need for animated doctor. See all. So this is my doctor. Okay, okay, again click on elements, then I search for boy, click on boy, click on graphics, okay, click on filter and animated. Okay, this is my boy. Adjust your boy, then okay, click on animated, then create an animation. Okay, then tap here and okay, so play this. Okay, click on smooth, then click on done. Okay, your animation is ready. Then duplicate paste and then record the audio. Okay, record the audio and then share. Go to share and download suggested mp4 video. Okay, then click on download. Okay, now play this. Hello doctor, how can I avoid COVID-19 virus? This is very simple. Use mask, wash your hand for at least 20 seconds, making social distance, and get vaccinated. So thank you very much for watching this video.